Yo guys, what is up? It is the Korean Kid, and in this video, I have this package right here, and I'm not exactly sure what's in it. I ordered a lot of shoes this weekend, and let's just see what's in it. So first things first, I'm just gonna open it up, and I'm gonna show you guys what's inside. So I'm actually very curious to see what this is. I didn't get any shipping confirmations, so I'm not exactly 100% sure. But let's just see what's inside. Alright guys, I kind of done goofed. I opened it up the wrong way. Nike package, Air Jordan 1 Retro. I'll show you guys the box, just a standard Jordan 1 box, says Nike on it. And you guys already know, the best shoe of All-Star Weekend in my opinion, the Jordan 1 Gold Toe. This is my pair from the sneakers app. Oh man, guys, it looks like there's a scuff right there on the toe box, but that's fine. I'm gonna wear them anyways. My favorite shoe by far, and just an all-around good look. I know in my last video when I got these, I didn't show you guys an on feet, so you guys deserve it. So let's go to the on feet right now.
Supervising inside my eyes so my grandma would fucking hug me. Your generation above me, I know you still remember me. My afro look just like that is. Y'all taught me how to go hunting. Blam! Cigarettes on cigarettes.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video on me unboxing these Jordan 1 Gold Toes plus the on feet. If you did, please check out some of my other videos and leave a like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out. Peace.